Hey guys, and welcome back to Gravy's Brewery with me, Gareth Goes Gravy. Now guys, for this video, as you can see, I have been brewing again, finally. And for this one, as you can see from the title below, I'm essentially brewing the same beer. However, I am brewing them all grain versus extract style. Now, as you can see, both of these beers are 15-minute Cascade beers. I know I messed up the name on that one. 15 all grain minute. Yeah, oh well. So essentially the name, well, the beers, again, kind of self-explanatory. That one is an all grain recipe. That one a extract. And I will put the recipes down in the description for both of them. I do have some brew footage that I did intend to do these beers as a grain to glass. However, I'm not really happy with the footage, so I may not release that. I might actually get these recipes again in the future and do them on camera again. But this is just what a little video I wanted to show you of what I've been up to. I might actually bring you these beers as a review, as a side-by-side review. Kind of just to let you know, just to see for myself if I can tell if there's any difference between an all grain and an extract recipe. As you saw from the dates on the labels, they were bottled within a day of each other. They've obviously now both been in the bottle now a couple of days. I'm probably going to give these about another 10 days to 2 weeks to condition, and I will see about bringing you again a possible side-by-side. Alright guys, well that's all I've got for you for now. So until next time, from Gravy's Brewery, this has been Gareth Goes Gravy, and I'll see you later. Cheers.